Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2019 Subaru WRX. You're going to find it located on the passenger side. You'll find two clips, and you'll be able to slide out the filter. Here's the part number from Subaru. And now we're going to slide in the new filter. The same way the old one came out. We'll close the box. One clip here, one clip there. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Click the video in the bottom left corner where I show you how to replace the cabin AC filter.